Hey, what's up? JB here. We're going to answer the question, is it too late to learn about AI or too late to get into AI? And we're going to talk about this, really the same answer, but for both computer programmers slash computer science majors and just your average user just wanting to use it. Is it too late to get into it? The answer is no. Of course it's not. The big reason though, why, is because it's evolved so much over the past 2.5 years. You could maybe learn something from 2.5 years ago and not learn anything else, and you go to AI now, night and day different. So just because somebody's already got more experience previously, it doesn't necessarily mean you're behind the game, okay? Not to mention, things have already changed in terms of what's offered with AI. Like, first we start off having chatbots, and Perplexity is such an underrated one. It's amazing. But anyways, now we've got, like right here, I've got an agentic browser pulled up. Uh, this is this is Comet, which is Perplexity's agentic browser. It's trying to learn how to play Diablo 1 on its own. So this is in a whole browser, an AI in the browser, okay? So things are changing and evolving. So just because you're behind the curve, it doesn't necessarily mean you're really all that behind. Just jump in now and start learning. Even for computer science majors, things are always changing. Now, we are in a giant, like, interest peaking, state of AI, but it's because we're in an arms race. We have all these big companies, like you have Elon Musk and you have Google, OpenAI or open source, all competing against each other, trying to get the best AI, which is great for the users like us because we're getting all sorts of amazing new things. So you're not behind. Just start learning now. Check out my channel. I've got a lot of tutorial videos on AI, and I just keep making them. I keep researching, learning, and making them. So hop into AI and get going. What are you waiting for? And if you like the video, hit that subscribe button and like button. Take care.